The video you're about to watch is a preview of one of my online courses in fashion designing available at Fashion Premier Academy. Here's the preview. Okay, marketing versus branding. We use these words a lot, marketing and branding. Sometimes interchangeable, but there is a difference. Branding is what you feel about your brand and how they, your customer, feel about your brand. And they have to be familiar with your brand. And of course, it also includes all the colors and logo and all the artistic ingredients that go into making a brand, as well as your identity, your DNA. What do you stand for? All this is branding. Now, marketing, on the other hand, is when you're telling someone to buy your product through channels like email and Facebook and Instagram and so on. Marketing is the vehicle. It's the means, the way to promote your brand. And in marketing, make it about the customer. Not you, the brand. The customer is the hero. So it's not, I have the best suits in town, but rather, when you wear my suits, you will feel like $1 million. You see, how do you make people fall in love with your brand? Answer, make them feel good about themselves. Also, tell them how your product fills a need. For example, let's say that, what if there was a need for a 100% cashmere sweater for $20? If your company fills that need, then your advertising campaign can say 100% cashmere sweater for $20. Now available. I want to encourage you to think big. I want to give you a bigger perspective than just sketching ideas and making patterns and draping and sewing and all of that. I encourage you to have a vision for your brand. And if some of you are not big on vision, if you say, well, I'm not Bill Gates, I'm not Steve Jobs, I'm not Ralph Lauren, I'm not Calvin Klein, but I'm sure you do want a very successful business, right? So, here is a question that you can ask yourself that will empower you and help you create a vision for your brand. And this comes from a guy named Donald Miller. He wrote a great book called Building a Story Brand. And he says this, ask yourself, if you were a character in a movie, okay, what would you need to do to make the movie really good? Think about that. All right? But before you can be a character in a movie, you need a movie. What is your movie about? What is your brand about? So think about that. That's the foundation of your brand. It's important to know. What are you committed to? What inspires you to get up in the morning and get to work? In my course, How to Create a Fashion Collection and Launch Your Own Brand, there is an exercise. It's a fun process that helps you define who you are. And so refer to that if you have to. It's a great course, so you should check it out. All right, so I'll see you next class. Thank you for watching this video. Check out all the courses available at Fashion Premier Academy by clicking the link below. And be sure to hit the subscribe button and the bell next to it so that you will be notified when I post new videos, which is every week. I'll see you in class.